I wanted to make a short video to help other homeowners out that end up having to replace their own water supply line out in the yard. It takes forever to get a pro to come and do the work, and it'll be $2,500, so we did it ourselves. So here's some stuff I've learned. This is what your curb shutoff valve looks like. You'll basically be tying into it right here. This is a special underground rated clamp that you'll have to go to a plumbing supply store, Lowe's, Home Depot. They're probably not going to be carrying that stuff, but you're gonna have to dig down to here to get to it. Now the tricky part is, this is what the old pipe that you put the key in looks like. And if you don't know what it looks like, when you dig down, you look at this and think, oh my God, it's in concrete, because you may not even see the valve. It'll be under here. And that's exactly what we thought. And I'm like, oh my God. And thankfully, a very helpful water department man came by and explained that no, here's what a new one looks like. It's just a big U. And that just sits down over top of that valve. Now we're putting a brick in now so that it's stable, holds it stable. But when you replace your line, you're gonna have to dig this whole thing up and just lift it off that valve to get to it. And without knowing that, I wouldn't have removed it. So, and then you just lay your line, and if you can, avoid all the joints. We went with copper. Stupidly expensive, but it is what it is. Hopefully this video was helpful.